What did you do? I ate dumpling with salad. I drank milk tea and Eric. How many monkeys did you collect? I collected 200,000 total.
How was your Lunar New Year?
What did you do? I eat fruit salad.
How was your Mongolian New Year celebration? It was good.
How was your Lunar New Year celebration?
It was great. How was your Lunar New Year?
It was happy and funny.
How was your Lunar New Year celebration?
It was happy and fun.
How was your Lunar New Year? It was great. What did you do? I went to with the Did you collect any money? How was